Hey guys, it's Jen and I'm at QVC today, but I wanted to film for you a quick tutorial that's super easy using our brand new Winter Wonderglam Luxe eyeshadow palette. I'm really excited because I kind of haven't really had a lot of time to play with this one yet, so let's create something fun. Let's get in up close and personal so you guys can really see what's in here. Alright guys, here it is. This is our Winter Wonderglam Luxe eyeshadow palette and we're gonna open it up. Look how beautiful this is. It's got this awesome like luxe mirror, perfect for travel. But let's get a look at these shadows, can we? Wow. We've got a mix of mattes, some like really pretty metallic shades, and these gorgeous gel glitter toppers. Oh my god, I can't wait to touch and play with these. So pretty. I'm gonna create a look for you guys. I think I'm actually gonna use this like soft yellowy lime green one and a mix of the bronze because I've got like that olive tone shirt on. But look what's included. You're also getting a double-ended brush, which is cruelty-free, super soft. And then it also comes with my favorite Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara, a little travel size. And it also comes with the gel liner end of our Tarte Double Take eyeliner, which is awesome. It just glides on, there's no tugging, no pulling, so I can't wait to get started. Look at this. Whew, beautiful. Now I'm just buffing that shade right along my lower lash line as well. Alright, so I did my one eye because I actually thought I was filming and I wasn't, but I don't want to take it off because it looks so pretty. Look at that. Alright, so I'm going to do my other eye for you guys right now. Look at this. Ready? Oh my god. That is like magic. Magic fairy dust. It's stunning. This might be one of my favorite Tarte palettes of all time because this glitter, and especially the shade, is just so pretty. I actually have like excess on my fingers and I'm like putting it in my hair because I'm like, I really like it. I really like this color. I like this glitter. Put some on the cheekbones a little bit. Woo! Yes, yes, yes. That's all I can say. All right, let's do some liner and some lashes, and actually let's put a little right along our lower lash line as well. Nothing crazy, just a little bit. A lot. I also have to say I'm filming all of this from a QVC green room and I do not have a tripod. I'm holding this obviously by hand, and I gotta say it feels like true vlog style. This is the way vlogs were intended to be filmed. It's kind of nice. It feels authentic. Alright guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I know, I love this. This was super easy to do. I mean, I did it with one hand, so if I can do it, you guys can totally do it. Alright, I love you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and until next time, take care, tartelettes. Did you see that little whistle I just did? That was really weird. Alright, bye.